Hey guys, good morning and welcome to our cozy garden. My name is Randy. If you're new to our channel, we are gardening here in Zone 3, Alberta, Canada. And today I am doing a DIY low tunnel. Now, in here we are in our back garden, and in this bed we planted about, 750, 800 tulips. And they are slowly coming up. The princess tulips are coming up first, and we're hoping that they would bloom by mid-May, so that would be more or less 2 weeks from now. And I am adding a low tunnel so that hopefully that would help lengthen the stem of the tulips as they bloom, because when they are grown in partial shade, then they would try to reach out for sunlight. So I'm doing a low tunnel for that purpose, to hopefully have longer stems, and two, we've been having some frosty nights. We just had, if you notice, we still have some snow on the ground, but it's slowly starting to melt. So hopefully that would help improve, retain the heat in this space so that the tulips would come up as soon as they can. I have in here this frame, and this frame is from Vigoro. We bought it about 2 years ago for our tomatoes. It came with its own humidity cover, but that humidity cover is long gone, and but good thing I still have this frame. I will be screwing them in place so that I'm more confident that that would hold up with the strong winds, especially when we have the humidity dome or the low tunnel in there. Now I'm using screws and not nails because this frame can actually be moved that way. So when I'm done harvesting the tulips in this side, or whichever comes up, then I can just move it around whenever I need. So I can just unscrew it, and it's easier for me to do it that way. I bought a vapor barrier, screw this in place, put the vapor barrier, and then clip it. And I also bought some dollar store clips. I don't know if that will hold, and then I would have to tie it on both ends so that it would enclose itself that way. Okay, that's my task. So interestingly, I bought these clips, and first I thought they won't fit. See? So that just doesn't fit. But I realized that they are quite flexible because they can open up wide enough so that I can lock them in place that way. So I'm happy that I bought these. Should be strong enough to hold our cover in place. So another project I need to work on is this wooden raised bed, and as you can see, I have some Lisianthus in here that are just, I think they're just cooking in the sun. Instead of a corrugated steel bar, I'm using this Figaro sturdy stake product. So it's my first time seeing them in the store, but apparently they are sturdy plastic with metal inside, and they end up a bit cheaper than the corrugated bars, so I'll just use them. So I think that should hold it. Maybe I need one more here, maybe not. So I'll just do that for now. I feel like this section is a bit short enough to hold itself, but we'll see. So now we'll add the vapor barrier. that's it. We'll see how this will hold up here in the prairies where we have really strong winds. So I'll keep you updated. Thanks for your time, and once again, this is Randy from Our Cozy Garden. Until next video, have a good day.